That's what we're going to prepare today. A French toast, one of my favorite breakfasts. Not just any French toast, it's going to be a banana bread French toast. Welcome back to Absolute Chefing. It's a very simple recipe to make, but it is amazingly delectable. First thing you need, banana bread. 2 slices, nice and thick. If you don't have banana bread, use panettone, brioche, or even plain white sliced bread. One whole egg, break it and beat it. "35% cream or whipping cream, 30 ml. About 20 ml of maple syrup. This is what I use from a nearby farm. A gram of cinnamon powder and orange zest from quarter of an orange and the juice from the same. A pinch of salt and then beat it all up. Hot pan, touch of oil and then butter. Don't make the pan too hot, you will burn the sugar. Go nice and slow. Now let's soak the bread into the mix. Always remember, you need to absorb a lot of liquid. Inside of your French toast need to be like a custard once it's cooked. So let it sit in the mix for like a couple of minutes before you put it into the pan. Once it is in the pan, let it cook slowly. Remember, the heat is on low. It's time to flip. Once you flip it, let it go for another couple of minutes until you get the same color on the other side. Transfer it into a plate like this. Now it's time to garnish. Slice up some strawberries. A few blueberries and then couple of raspberries, a fresh sprig of mint, and then top it up with some icing sugar, and then more of that maple goodness, and then you and you will try from home. Now let's talk about the artificial intelligence and how it's going to affect the chef jobs. You are replaceable. Majority of the skill set that you see in the kitchen or in the culinary industry can be replaced by machines. All the entry-level jobs that does not require too much of thinking can be changed or can be replaced by machines. So what do? We evolve. There are things that machines cannot do, at least not for a very long time. It is the personal touch, the care that you can give to each and every individual. Each individual's needs are different. We will be focusing on providing that personal touch to each individual, focusing on preparing customized meal for a larger number of groups. The way banquets are right now is going to change. There won't be any more set menu for larger groups. It will be all individual. It is going to get tough. As the saying goes, when the going gets tough, the tough get going. We all are aware there is mental stress in the culinary world, but that is just going to begin. So you definitely need to get compensated accordingly. You need to ask for that. If you don't ask, you won't get it. So evolve and set yourself up for the future. You will see all the big names in the industry changing their motto soon. So guys, give me a thought on this. And coming up next will be more tips on how to make your life in the culinary industry a lot better. Stay put. See you later. And yes, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.